Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. All right, you guys, I last month did a little order from Boxycharm on their drop shop. So it arrived today. I got a ship notice on it. Like, notice was 7 days ago. I was starting to wonder when it was going to show up. So here it is, pretty pumped. I don't do them very often, but they did have some really couple things I wanted to try. One of them you guys will recognize. This is probably the third time I will have ordered it. Why is this not opening? There we go. I got it upside down. All right. There's my packing material. Okay, let's just pull one out. There's only 3 items, you guys. All right, first one I wanted to try is Marc Jacobs. Their little brow duo, brow wow duo. It is a brow powder pencil and tinted gel. Honestly, I was really interested in the gel. I have had a gel that I've been using that's tinted that I really love, and honestly, I can't find it anymore. I'm trying another one that's okay. It's been a little dark. I'm starting to run out of that, so I wanted to try this. All right, there it comes. All right, this is not at all what I'm worried about. This is a little pencil. So this is, here, like that, Marc Jacobs. I don't know, it was pretty affordable. Here's the pencil side again. It's pretty dark. I don't know that I would use that end. So let's look at the other end. Take a look. This is what I'm interested in, is the spoolie side. So we'll see. I'm going to just, it looks kind of, I don't know. It kind of looks ashy to me. Maybe it's my lighting, but it'll be interesting to try that. All I smell is bug spray. You guys, I just got back from birding with my friend. We were out literally along like, wetlands area, and it was really, we knew it was gonna be really, really buggy, so I am just covered in bug spray. And then I had on a hat, and then over the hat I had a big net because the gnats were so bad. So apologies for how I look, but I can't tell if this smells like anything because all I smell is my bug spray. All right, next items. My friend and I each wanted one of these. You guys know how much I love this. It's from Huda Beauty. It is the Wishful. It's the Honey Balm. 10 active ingredients in it. I love this, and I am getting through my the one I have going right now. I'm not emptied, but it's a really good price. So, and I got one. I got my friend into it, and she loves it too. So I did buy her one. One more item. You guys will recognize it for sure. That's all I got. I was really glad to see this come on again. I'm not all the way finished with the bottle I'm using right now, but I'm so close. So this was timed perfectly. So this is the Perricone MD Growth Factor Firming and Lifting Serum. I really like this, you guys. I don't know. I just keep using it. This will be my 3rd time buying this, and I really like it. Honestly, it's not cheap on Boxycharm's site, but it's really not cheap to not get it through Boxycharm. It's like $100 and some to get it through the Perricone MD site, like 130 or 140, 150. Not that much on Boxy. So I feel like it was $30 or $40, but I really like it, you guys. I've been using it for a while now, and I really, really like it. So just to show you what it looks like, that's how it comes. Honestly, I very rarely use the new one. I just take the pump out of the old bottle, put it right into the new bottle. But it's really nice, kind of nice. I've really been liking it, you guys. So it's got some growth factors in it. Let me see if I can find the information on that. It says, powerful day and night cream formulated with Dr. Perricone's next generation polyamine technology to deliver a visibly dramatic lifting effect, leaving the skin looking smooth and radiant, supports the skin's moisture barrier, visibly improves the skin's plumpiness, strength, cushion, and bounce and resiliency. And you guys, a little bit goes a long way. And this is a couple months worth. I think this is it's 2 ounces. And this is easily like 2 months worth. You know, a little bit goes a long way. I think Americans tend to just pile it on, thinking if they put like more on, it's going to do more, but it really doesn't. So, looking to see if there's any more information. No, it's just in a variety of other languages, but I did a little research on this when it was first offered through Boxy, just to see what others had said, and it had all these rave reviews. So there is a little bit of information on this. So there are some key ingredients. Polyamine growth factor, which supports healthy looking skin and youthful radiance, an endogenous molecule utilized by nearly every living thing on earth. Polyamine growth factor improves the feel of skin elasticity and helps promote the look of youthful, collagen-rich, and visibly firmer skin by replenishing moisture. Then there's eggshell membrane, which is, they call it the gatekeeper. Thin water-soluble layer that lines an eggshell. Eggshell membrane supports the skin's moisture barrier and provides the skin with youthful texture and radiance by improving the feel of elasticity over time. And then this one does have encapsulated retinol in it. So that is an accelerated skin renewal. Stabilized form of retinol, this ultra-powerful non-prescription vitamin A derivative replenishes the look of thin, collagen-depleted skin by accelerating surface skin exfoliation and renewal. Y'all know how much I love retinols. So, yep, I did. Third time, y'all. I don't know. I just keep doing it. I guess I like it. Really love this. This is, I do love that. It's got honey in it. It's a honey balm. It's got lavender, niacinamide, and turmeric. So, and I will let you guys know, I guess, what this is like. I don't know that I will use the little, I don't know why they send this little crayon-y thing here, but I was most interested in the spoolie. That dried down really nicely. It's all dried down, not smudging at all, so that's nice. I already have some on for today, so I can't really try it for you guys. Let's see, it says brow pencil, crayon, brow powder pencil, and tinted gel. Plus, oh, it's a pencil refill, so that's what the little refill, which I will reuse. All right, you guys, what did you get in Boxycharm's mega drop shop or drop shop? Did you get a lot, a little, nothing? There are months I don't get anything. So honestly, I'm quite particular. You guys got a lot of makeup, so it's really specific things I look for. And I had been gonna buy, rebuy this, and then I think it sold out a couple months ago. And so I got myself another tub. Like I said, I got a second one for a friend of mine who also loves it. So let me know what you think. Let me know what you bought. Honestly, the drop shop is kind of why I haven't gotten rid of Boxycharm. I got rid of Ipsy. I just honestly, they do sales as well. I just didn't like them. I didn't think they were really all that great. There's way more offered through Boxy. There are times where Boxycharm is open to friends and family. This last sale, they did open it up briefly to friends and family. So you don't have to always be a subscriber, but you're only getting it like at certain times. So you can always subscribe for a month. If there's stuff in the drop shop you want, go in and subscribe for 1 month and then cancel it. You can always do that too. So, all right, you guys, hope you're having a great week. I was out mowing today. I was out hiking, like I said, with my friend. Here comes the allergies. Gonna have to try this for sure. So hope you guys are doing well, and I will see you all on my next video. Bye, everybody.